Engraving glass is an intricate and rewarding process, and many people wonder if they can use a tool like a Dremel for this purpose. The answer is yes. A Dremel is a versatile rotary tool that can indeed be used to engrave glass. However, achieving great results requires the right technique, proper safety measures, and the correct accessories. To begin, it's important to choose the right Dremel bit. For glass engraving, you should use diamond-tipped or carbide bits. These are specifically designed to handle the hard-ediness of glass, allowing for smoother and more precise engraving. Diamond bits are especially popular because of their durability and their ability to create fine, detailed lines without chipping the glass. Before you start, make sure to clean the glass thoroughly. Any dust, grease, or fingerprints can interfere with your engraving, causing the bit to slip or scratch the surface in unintended ways. Once the glass is clean, it's a good idea to secure it firmly to your work surface using clamps or a non-slip mat. This will help prevent accidents and give you better control over your movements. Safety is paramount when working with glass. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes from tiny glass particles, and consider wearing a dust mask to avoid inhaling fine dust. Protective gloves can also help guard your hands in case the glass breaks or chips. If you're new to engraving, practice your technique on a scrap piece of glass before moving on to your main project. This will help you get a feel for the pressure and speed required. Unlike wood or metal, glass is brittle and unforgiving. Pressing too hard can cause it to crack, while moving too quickly may result in uneven lines. When you're ready to start, outline your design on the glass using a marker or a wax pencil. If you're working with a complex pattern, you can tape a printed template to the back side of the glass and trace over it. Hold the Dremel like a pencil using a gentle, steady hand. Set the tool to a low or medium speed. High speeds can overheat the bit and increase the risk of breaking the glass. Begin by lightly tracing your design, creating shallow grooves. Don't try to carve deep lines in a single pass. Instead, gradually deepen the engraving by retracing your lines. Take frequent breaks to prevent both the tool and the glass from overheating. You can also periodically dip the bit in water to keep it cool and reduce dust. As you work, you'll notice a fine powdery residue forming on the glass. This is perfectly normal and can be wiped away with a damp cloth. Once you've finished engraving, clean the glass thoroughly to remove any remaining dust. If you want a frosted effect, you can go over the engraved areas with a fine abrasive bit or sandpaper. With patience and practice, a Dremel can help you create stunning glass engravings. Whether you're personalizing a wine glass, decorating a mirror, or crafting unique gifts, take your time, use the proper safety equipment, and enjoy the creative process. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination and your willingness to experiment. Remember, every project is an opportunity to refine your skills and discover new techniques, making each piece truly one of a kind.